in the next state, that is Bihar also, my lords, same issue of TET.
Your Lordship, I have also moved in IA. I am here to talk about the regular post. As Amicus said, there were 100 posts and 68 were appointed, and
62.
62 posts were appointed and 38 were vacant. Here, my applicant participated in the recruitment process for special educator pursuant to the advertisement 3rd October 2025. The advertisement prescribed only qualification recognized by the RCI and did not require TET, Your Lordship. My Lords, after the applicants applied, their documents verified, they were included in the merit list, they were participated in the council.
Your application number?
My application number is 213132.
Madam Dijan.
Same as the case with 52 plus candidates who have applied in the 100 advertisement posts.
Your Lordship,
Chhattisgarh.
Yes.
Chhattisgarh. Just 1 minute, one by one. ये application madam का देना.
IA number 213132.
List में. Watch list. Register.
Sanjeev and others.
You have an extra copy?
Just one set.
When was it filed? When was it filed?
18.
18 July, my friend had filed my house.
Sanjeev and others for state of Chhattisgarh.
You have
213132.
not filed an ID?
You have a copy of the application?
I don't have the copy.
Just hand over your
Sure.
copy to Mr. Nataraj. Where is the advertisement? Show us.
Annexure
Page.
Annexure 1, page number 13 to 48.
13 to,
48. It was an advertisement that
where is the qualification criteria?
page number 24.
24.
No.
No, I have.
You have given a copy to Mr. Nataraj?
Just now I got it. I'm ready.
Page 24.
Yes,
You need to take instructions.
I have to get instruction.
If you have not insisted for TET, how can you reject
We
candidates?
can't have insist for higher one.
Right?
Your
But then I'll get.
Prior to that, even if the advertisement had required,
Yes,
you will have to show that the rules have been amended.
absolutely.
your,
I'll get.
Without the rules, you can't do it.
I'll get instruction.
your Lordship.
Also, the steering committee and the PG specific subject specific part.
No,
Your-
Mr. Nataraj, Chhattisgarh will take up next Tuesday once again.
Very
You come with full instruction.
well.
Issue notice on this application
and-
as well as
So far, 748 remaining.
Mr. Kaustub's application, issue notice on so-and-so. Madam accepts notice. Mr. Nataraj, and solicitor representing state, shall obtain appropriate instructions as to whether
Your Lordship, I also have to make
state by amending the rules for recruitment has included T as an essential qualification for appointment of special educators.
And what steps they have taken for remaining 748?
In the 52 fresh candidates who have taken participation in the 100 vacancies recruitment process.
An up-to-date status report up-to-date status of appointment process shall also be indicated in an affidavit to be filed by Monday next.
Will do.
my Lord's appointment letter were also given. And I have
Let us see, madam, wait for 1 week. If the, Mr. Nataraj, if you find that the rules have not been amended and TET is not a qualification, you must.
Will
appoint
do.
all these.
Yes.
Chhattisgarh,
Only thing is.
very well. Give your copy to madam.
Special educator should copy.
Give your copy to madam. In Chhattisgarh, अलग से रखिए. Next Tuesday, we'll consider.
No, it should be TET special education, not
Now Bihar,
24 July 26 affidavit was. Yeah, you- this is 24 July.
Yeah.
Yes, it.
Yes.
No, Lordship, just note down some figures. My lord, Bihar affidavit is not satisfactory, my lord. Sanctioned post, what they say is 7279. That's in the earlier affidavit. We
7279 sanction.
and out of they just mentioned that 816 are contractual teachers. They don't say about what are the rest. So I cannot imagine that rest are regularization. Or 816 are the contractual post.
Have this 816 been considered by this training?
They haven't said anything on that. That's I'm coming to that.
I am a part
What-
of it.
Para 8. Para 8.
Okay, later. 139.80.
The process of completing of their educational training and RCA certificates have been completed.
49 is verification, no? Out of 816.
Is privacy boundary.
Lord, I'm joining my learned friend. This appointment should be issued and your lordship.
So when is our restraint order? That is result. Just give us your IA. Give a copy. Oh, very well, ma'am.
May I read the 21st statement?
And the earlier paragraph.
Just give a copy to your learned friend.
Well, may I just give the figures, just my friend, check,
Just 1 minute.
so that my job is over.
Very well.
Out of that 816, my lords, what they say in that recent affidavit in para 3, that
7279 sanction,
Sanction,
816
contractual.
contractual.
139 they say is are TET as well as RCI qualified. 649 they have sent for verification. So no result declared, no. What they say in the affidavit, 649. And then, my lords, after saying so in para number 8, 7 also, 5 candidates, what they say is, the process of counseling is going on. So their affidavit is slipshod, my lord. They have not clarified that 649 they have sent for verification. What is the basic result of this 649?
That is-
Are they in or they out?
They are at paragraph 8. May I add on? Lord, 139 apparently had RCI and TET. If you come to paragraph 7, out of the 139, 5 TET was not correct. So 134 are to be appointed as per my lord's directions. But they are dragging their feet on it. After the Supreme Court's order, they say Chief Minister's approval is required. That is
No, but we had said in para 13, our final merit list if prepared may not be given effect.
Yes, but I'm talking of what you had directed. This 139, your lordship has said they have to be appointed.
What about 649?
I'm coming to that. Even
My
that
query is 649.
139 was apart from 649.
That's
Yes,
right.
yes. So therefore, my lord, my concern is,
No,
what about
it-
649 with the same verification?
Complete 130.
Yes, yes,
If
please.
this 139 had TET, they had to be appointed as per your order. The reply is in paragraph 7 of the compliance affidavit. In paragraph 7, they say there's some problem with 5 of them. Please leave them alone. 134 remains. 134 can be issued appointment letter only after administrative formalities, including approval of the state cabinet. Lord, I beg to
Well,
submit
very well, very well.
after the.
That is, if that is required under the rules of business, we can't ask them to
Yes, my lord,
do something which is dehorsed.
then your
So
lordship.
24th of July, they have said this.
Yes. A
We
time,
will say about this 134 who have been found eligible and suitable, that their appointment letters be issued without any delay. On the next day, we will ask for further
Yes.
compliance.
your lordship may give without delay within about 4 weeks or so.
Manoj, my
Lord, now,
It all depends on how frequently the cabinet sits. You know, if the cabinet doesn't sit once a month, 4 weeks may not be adequate. So therefore, we'll give.
but Lordship,
ample time.
my concern is bigger.
This 134, have you prepared a list? Who are these 134?
Yeah, Your Lordship, may I take a step and just clarify because a lot of water has been muddied. Your Lordship, with regards to the sanction posts, there are 7,279 sanction posts. Out of these sanction posts, 816 were the contractual teachers for which we reserved the post, set the post aside in terms of order of Your Lordships. Now, for the remaining posts, we started the appointment, the advertisement was issued, the examination has been conducted, and the results are currently awaited with regards to the rest of the posts. So that is clear. Now coming back to the contractual teachers, there are 800.
So results are awaited. How soon can you complete the finalized?
Your Lordship, we have, so what happened was with regards to these 816 contractual teachers, since the posts were kept separate, in order to ensure that the reservation roster is not disturbed, the nature of which particular post these seats are reserved in had to be sent to BPSC so that the arrangements could have been made accordingly. Now, since that has been done, Your Lordship, I cannot give the exact time, but however, it should, since the examination has been conducted, result has been prepared, the communication has been sent, it should not take much time with regards to the regular appointments. With regards to classes 9 to 12, we have already done that. That appointment has been made. This is with regards to the primary teachers only. Now, coming to the aspect of contractual teachers. Your Lordship, subsequent to Your Lordship's order, 816 contractual teachers were identified, seats were reserved for them. Out of that 816 teachers, 788, the documents were verified. Out of those 788, 139 on the last occasion, I had said that they had RCI qualification and TET qualification. Of that, 134 who has been found to be perfect in all suits to be appointed, their appointment, all procedural formalities have been conducted as Your Lordships have pointed out. Only the cabinet approval is pending. The moment that sits, the cabinet approval will be granted. So there is no difficulty with regards to the appointment of these 134 persons. With regards to the rest of the 649, who are these people, Your Lordships? These are those contractual teachers who have RCI qualifications, but they do not have TET qualification. And that is why on the last occasion, these were the people who appointments were not sent for recommendation. Your Lordship has only asked me to bring the screening process to a natural logical culmination and not to appoint them. What section, paragraph 8 of my affidavit is being read as, paragraph 8 prima facie has been found to be in order. It is with regards to their RCI qualification because they never had the TET qualification.
So where is the requirement of TET in your rules?
Your Lordship, since they, and Your Lordship, in that particular point, our consistent stance has been that there is TET requirement in
Show us.
Your Lordship,
Lord, may I?
Just 1 minute, sir. Just one. Show us the TET
Your
requirement.
Lordship, with regards to that particular submission, I had raised a similar argument on the last occasion itself. Your Lordships thereafter had taken into consideration the RCI's affidavit and passed that particular order.
Lord,
Your
So when
Lordship,
you have filed an affidavit on 24th July, why haven't you annexed documents to show that TET is a mandatory
Your
qualification?
Lordship, because Your Lordships had said in the order that if the states are prescribing that particular position, because even in our advertisement, BS.
No, but now we are asking you, where is the rule?
Lord, that's
Lordship.
not there. May I clarify? On the 20th, my Lord, there was this compliance affidavit, and Your Lordship directed this TET to be kept in abeyance. The very next day, RCI filed an affidavit, and in RCI affidavits, it said TET is not mandatory, but if TET is to be made mandatory, it cannot be a general TET. It must be a TET for special children.
Yeah.
So a special TET. Now, Bihar's rules, earlier affidavit they have filed saying we have a general BR state TET, we don't have a special.
We have conducted.
But if what we are now saying, general TET is contrary to RCI, that condition shall stand removed. That is their affidavit. So state has been consistent saying they have only general TET. Now if something is contrary by RCI, then the RCI's condition prevails. So far, there is no qualification for special TET. My lords, I would therefore submit that this appointment
Chair,
should be made.
if you insist on TET, you will not only have to amend your rules, your state has to conduct a special TET for these
Your Lordship,
children.
we had
Have you conducted it?
conducted.
Where is that
Your
statement?
Lordship, the advertisement is there. The advertisement
Show us,
sheet.
show us, show us.
Where have you mentioned the affidavit?
Lord, I'm reading their earlier affidavit. The aforesaid advertisement specifically stated that in the event any provision of the guidelines for
My-
BR state TET is contrary to the provisions of RCI, then the said provision shall be deemed to be automatically amended in consonance with the requirements of RCI. So this is the affidavit.
Show us.
Your Lordship. First query, Your Lordship's first query. Your Lordship, may kindly have my affidavit dated 24/2026. In that, I have annexed the entire advertisement as well as.
24?
And 20th of April
20th of April
2026, and I'm reading paragraph 13 and 14 of that affidavit.
20th April.
Correct. This
This is Bihar, no?
Mr. Amicus, next time onwards, when we take up the cases of 3-4
States.
states, right? You just tell us beforehand which of the affidavits are to be looked into.
But in fact,
Otherwise, you know, only
But I understand.
26
Lordship, I recall it transpired last time also.
Are referring to 2024
But
affidavit.
that's, but in fact, Lordship may just clarify today that whenever they file the latest update affidavit, any state, my lords, they should not say that please refer to our earlier affidavit of 2 years back. Well, this is very difficult to, why can't they just mention 2 paras of that affidavit?
Your Lordship, may I make a submission on the TET aspect?
Lordship, may I please clarify, it's easier for me to,
You tell us in which of your affidavit the rules are annexed, which
28th
says that TET is a mandatory qualification for special children.
Your Lordship, on that submission, I will just, 20th April is 2020, 20th April 2026 is the affidavit to answer your Lordship's question. However, I will just make one submission. Your Lordship, my stance is that all the judgments of this Honorable Court, the order of Rajneesh Kumar Pandey, read with all the subsequent orders, the order of your Lordship's judgment in Anjuman, all of these have an unequivocal conclusion that TET is a mandatory qualification.
no, no.
And I will, if your Lordship may only permit me to
RCI
this,
affidavit.
I've done an extensive research on this particular point. I will place a short note along with all the compilation with your Lordship.
Can you tell us when did State of Bihar conduct a TET for special children?
2023.
23.
2023. If I may read.
Where, anything on record?
Yes, Your Lordship. My advertisement on the affidavit that I filed on 20th April 2026. Page 26 is the advertisement.
Got it?
Page 26. Yes.
Hereby through letter, if I may only read,
Yes.
fifth line from the
that.
bottom of the second paragraph.
Like this.
Yeah, fifth line from the bottom, second paragraph. Qualifying in this examination, for this purpose, Bihar Special Teachers School.
No, we have not got for this purpose.
Your
Page
Lordship, page
26.
of
And
the affidavit, middle of the paragraph. For
Page
this purpose,
26,
Bihar
middle of the paragraph, for this purpose.
Yes, Your Lordship. For this
Yes.
purpose, Bihar Special School Teachers Eligibility Test 2023 is to be conducted. Qualifying in this examination will not entitle any applicant to employment, as this examination is only an eligibility criteria for the appointment. Eligible and willing candidates can submit the examination application form and examination fee online for 2/12/2023 to 22/12/2023. And this is also supported by what I've stated in the affidavit.
This is for general candidates.
Your Lordship, this is for the special teachers only.
Where do you get it?
Your Lordship, this is, if I may start reading from the top only.
It
Yes,
says Bihar special,
Special
school
must be for special.
eligibility test 2023. This examination was conducted and it is also supported by what I've stated in the affidavit itself. That's, if I may read paragraph 13 of my.
But you will also have to show that these guidelines make it a mandatory condition.
Your Lordship,
If your rules do not provide for it, Your advertisement cannot go above the rules.
Your Lordship, that's my submission.
The
Is
stream
that,
cannot rise above its source.
Your Lordship,
Right.
and the source of it all is Your Lordship.
Where are your rules?
Your Lordship, my rules are also part of this affidavit itself.
Show us.
I will show you. The rules start at page number 7 itself.
7,
Page number 7 of this affidavit.
page number 7. Which particular rule?
Your Lordship, I will just take one second.
Special teachers की ना?
Roman 18, page 10 defines special school teacher.
Yes, yes.
If my friends, if I am corrected, my lord, page 7, these rules talk about general teachers. It's not special teachers. Just see the heading.
No, but
Subject to correction, my lords.
page 7.
Yeah, the heading, it's in excess of powers conferred in the proviso article
We are
309.
state school, but if you come to page 10, Mr. Amicus, Roman 18, special school teacher. Special school teacher is defined.
So they have a common exam for special teachers.
Now let us see what are the qualifications prescribed.
Your Lordship,
Page 14.
14.
Page 14. So essential qualification for appointment to the post of school teacher. How is school teacher defined?
Your Lordship, page
The
number
next line is
School
important.
teacher means
Next line.
school teacher of basic grade appointed, school teacher of graduate grade appointed.
School teachers. No, Lordship, see the next line.
Teacher appointed
Next
under
line.
these rules for teaching from 9 to 10.
Next line.
Qualification specialist by RCI. No, that is meant for general teachers.
Then next one, देखो. As per RCI,
Lord, if your Lordship sees Roman 2 at the last line, qualifications for special school teachers as per RCI.
Your Lordship,
So
now
that
also
is
read
all.
Roman 3.
so
No,
as per RCI, next,
Roman 3.
3, qualified in TET conducted by the state
no
from
special,
time to time.
no specialty. This is general for
Your
everybody.
Lordship,
This is general for school teacher.
Yes, not for special.
Your Lordship, if that interpretation is taken, I don't see any other provision which specifically deals with the special school teacher. So if there is a provision with regards to the essential qualification, it has to be the qualification for all.
No,
Can we-
No, the RCI affidavit we seen
Your
then.
Lordship, and the very fact that in 2 RCI and NCT both are mentioned.
Look here, your heading of 5, it only says school teacher. Correct. Now come to the definition of school teacher, whether it includes special school teacher.
Your Lordship, it will be my case that the special school teacher is a subset. Your Lordship, I asked myself this question, who are the special
So
teachers?
therefore, you are saying that we should read something into the statute.
Your Lordship,
Now,
my,
school teacher is defined.
And special school teacher is also defined.
It does not include special school.
And they have defined separately.
at the outset, my submission remains that TT is required because Roman 3 stands in my favor. 5 Roman
That
applies.
is for general school teacher.
Your Lordship, if that is the interpretation to be taken, I ask myself this question that 5 Roman 2.
If at all, this qualification applies, it is only as per RCI,
Your Lordship,
yes,
not beyond that.
not
Your,
This
Right.
Roman 3 will not apply to special school teachers because 5 says only school teacher, your school teacher is defined
Your Lordship,
And also
and
they
does
have,
not include special school.
and they have defined separately special school, Roman 18. Just below that.
is that particular point, Your Lordship.
So they can use that word if they wanted to use that word.
My is that
Only this part, qualification for special school teacher shall be applicable as per RCI.
Your Lordship, and there is
So therefore, your rule does not specifically say that for a special school teacher to be appointed, TET pass is mandatory.
Your Lordship, in that even Your Lordship may allow me to go back I will come back to your lordships with the submission I am saying about. Because your lordships category.
Is there any other rule apart from this rule?
Your lordship, I will take instruction, not to my knowledge.
No such.
Your lordship may only
May
allow.
not be, may not be. Once you have included special school teacher in the definition part,
And
paragraph 5 also says about special school teacher in Roman 2.
And your lordship,
You cannot-
there is no occasion for us to negate Roman 3 as well.
Page 24 of this affidavit.
But
No, but it does not apply to
your lordship,
special school teacher, it's not said. It is of course applicable to special school teacher, but qualification is restricted to what RCI
Or
says.
may I just submit notes? Just to have things, just a minute. That rule 5 says, last two lines, qualification for special teachers shall be applicable as per RCI. RCI affidavit says that for our TET, it has to be special TET, not a general TET. That affidavit which we already is on record, my lords.
That should
So
be
therefore,
specifically.
so therefore, and that, so the rules only talk about school teacher, which is obviously NCT general
your
teacher.
lordship, I asked myself this question, who is a special teacher? Your lordship, the special teacher can be a special teacher. It cannot negate the requirement of being a teacher. And that is the purpose with regards to the clause 2, which says that NCT requirement is what makes you a teacher. And RCI requirement is what makes you a special teacher.
Lord-
And your lordship, RCI,
Your rules are not so explicit, right?
your lordship
You
may,
will have to go by the rules.
lordship may permit me, I will come back.
No, it permit you to do what?
Your lordship, because my stance as of now is that TET is mandatory because it
No,
flows.
no,
from
where
RCI.
you show from 5. 5 is the only clause. 5 is the only clause. When you say TET is mandatory, why would you say as per RCI?
Your lordship, if I say TET, your lordship, your lordship, RCI is under the rehabilitation profession. RCI is under the 1992 Act. It deals with rehabilitational professionals. Any person who may be authorized, a physiotherapist with an RCI
Sorry to
certification.
interrupt, my learned friend. This argument was made extensively and considered at the time of RCI.
Your lordships had given the order that if the state should prescribe.
You proceed to appoint everyone who is having RCI without insisting for date.
Your lordship may only allow me to get some
So
instructions.
they are 649 number.
Lordship may only have it next week. On their screening has been done, your lordship. Nothing will be lost in 1 week.
Which are the five?
Now, all I'm saying is allow me 1 week. I will come back. to
5
the
they have
position
rejected
whether
on
it
what
is-
basis? Not because,
On the ground that the
Bihar.
not RCI thing.
No, RCI.
It has to be 649 plus 5.
For Bihar submits that TET is a mandatory requirement of the
Here. Educational.
No, that's not-
Bihar State School Teacher,
Patient training criteria.
start bracket, appointment, comma, transfer, comma, disciplinary proceedings and service conditions, close bracket, rules 2023.
Training company has said your tech is not
And applies squarely to special school teachers as
for everybody.
defined in Roman small 18 of rule 2 thereof.
Order my rule the is order can the rule.
Having perused rule 5,
You
we find that
don't
the qualification for a special school teacher
have TV.
shall be
Very
such
frank today.
as may be prescribed by the Rehabilitation Council of India. Stop. The marginal note essential qualification for appointment to the post of school teacher has to be read and understood bearing in mind the definition of school teacher in clause Roman 17 of Rule 2, which does not include a special school teacher, which as noticed above is separately defined in 2 Roman 18. Stop. We are prima facie of the view that insistence of the state of Bihar that the contractual teachers should also possess TET qualification is beyond the requirement of the rules. We would have proceeded to pass an appropriate order today, but accepting the request of Mr. So-and-so, we adjourn hearing for a week. unless we are persuaded to hold that the provisions of 5 are applicable to special school teachers, we shall proceed to direct the state to issue appointment letters to all the 649 candidates.
Lord, +5, Lord.
What is this +5?
+5 is out of 139 which you directed to be appointed, 5 did not have matching TET. So they were relegated to the 649.
Plus
did-
05 candidates to be appointed.
Subject to RCI.
Huh?
Subject to RCI.
have RCI.
All of them I have
That's
asked.
always a
They
caveat.
are insisting for TET. If the state of Bihar is so advised, a further status report may be filed by Monday next.
Like,
It's 198, 134.
It's very confusing.
There should be a
Start with this thing, na? 101 post hai.
Notice on 198134 accepted by learned council.
Affidavit is going.
Now come back to Telangana.
1-4. I hope the council is here.
Apologies, I thought it was at 3 p.m., my lord. So